Hello friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels, back at our job site again today. Coffee and Construction in Tempe, episode 10. We have countertops going in today and we've had some other work done. I'm super excited to show you around our space. We're going to start here in the laundry room. Over here, they've put in the countertops and we've got a nice little sparkle in these. I'm not sure if they'll shine for you while we're here. The air compressor plugged in, but these just look so good. This is where our seam is at. You can see they've got the suction all set for that seam to stay in place and be set so it won't adjust at all in its location. It's going to look so good. But all of these finishes complement one another so nicely. Here's our laundry sink, a deep, gorgeous laundry sink by Blanco. Super durable, super functional. But can you believe this is so cool? This setup for being able to hold this seam together so that it does not bump out of place at all. Isn't that fantastic? I have never actually watched that be accomplished before. Here we are over in our kitchen and dining room space, and this is our dry bar. This gorgeous countertop space over here. I love the veining on this countertop. It looks so good. Yes, you can see our under cabinet lights, the little dots on the countertop as we go along. They are set in a diffuser, but we still have some dots to contend with. But it looks so good, friends. We'll have backsplash tile going in here in the next couple of days, so that'll be a beautiful space. And then over here, you can see they're setting the adhesive for the quartz countertops here in the kitchen. And they did such a good job with these. Here on our island, we have a different color countertop than we do on our perimeter tops. This was to make this feel more like a furniture piece, so it stands out a little bit more, has more pattern and movement to it, a little bit more gray in color just to add some depth to the spaces so that we didn't end up in a giant brown box, because that could be a possibility, and we were intentional to avoid that. Over here at these counters, this veining looks so nice with these counters and these cabinets. Just looks so good all the way along here. Our fabricator did a fantastic job running this veining so that it makes great sense as you're standing in this kitchen and living in this kitchen. They have a seam over there that they did so good putting the veining together. So it runs from one top around the corner into the other top. I'll show you that in a picture later, friends, but they did such a good job with this. They've got our single bowl sink set over here also. That is gorgeous. But this is our big kitchen sink, and we have an offset garbage disposal drain location so that you can use the majority of the sink for storing and doing dishes and all the things, and then have the garbage disposal offset from all of that workspace instead of dropping it right in the center. It looks so good though. We've got fantastic floors. I love these floors. They turned out so good, and our absolutely awesome walk-in pantry space. Here they are. They're going to set up this machine now to hold the seam at this kitchen sink perimeter countertops where these two tops come together. It's going to be so cool. So this handy machine that they put in place actually holds the seam together and then levels the two pieces next to one another so that they have a semi-seamless looking outcome. But isn't that fantastic that that technology is out there to be able to set these to make them look the best they possibly can and maintain their integrity over the long term. They actually custom mix their seam color on site so that it resembles not only the color of the material, but the colors of the things around it, with like the paint color on the wall, and how light shows in the space. It takes time to learn that skill, to be able to level those and create that seam that looks like it wasn't ever there and make it as smooth a transition as possible. Oh, it's just so exciting to watch. For me as the novice, standing back, looking at all the things that they have to do to create these beautiful spaces for us and get all the details right. Okay, friends, that's been our entertainment for the day, watching them set countertops and custom mix the color for the seams, and then use their fantastic tools of their trade to create a level and smooth seam space for these countertops. It's a gorgeous outcome, but the process is just intriguing to me. So I'm happy I was able to show you around this today. Thank you for being on this journey with us. We really couldn't do it without you. We so appreciate you being here for Coffee and Construction in Tempe, episode 10. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.